Drones are your eyes in the sky and are only as good as the power behind them. As drones become essential across industries, the world now demands speed, endurance, and precision from the sky. That's why security teams and first responders rely on advanced battery tech to power their aerial operations. Amprius batteries deliver up to twice the energy density of the industry standard, along with exceptional power density that enables industry-proven performance, powering the most advanced electric aviation and high-performance applications. With over 50% more flight time, Amprius SiCore batteries give drones the endurance for extended perimeter coverage, longer overwatch, and fewer battery swaps, keeping security operations running without interruption. From public safety to energy and environmental monitoring, Amprius batteries power the future of fast, intelligent aerial response, delivering the endurance, speed, and power essential for modern security and public safety operations.